Hi parents, I wanted to go over really quickly a quick way for you to go into Google Classroom and find out what assignments your child has finished and has not completed. So once you're in Google Classroom, this is the very beginning. This is called your stream. If you go over to classwork, this will give you everything that's going on. But it could be very overwhelming and it looks like a lot. Okay, so every week their assignments will be broken down. It'll say week 2 and there'll be a morning check-in area. There'll be the week and then ELA language and writing, then week and it'll be math, and then week and then science, social studies already. So this is the afternoon. So it's broken up like that. However, I know that this can be overwhelming. So if you click on view your work and you go over to the left-hand side, you can do all, you can do assigned, returned, and missing. So when you look at in the middle, it'll look like this. It'll tell you the information. When you click on assigned, it'll tell you everything. Returned, it'll show you check marks, and it'll also show you the grade that your child got on that assignment. And then missing is the most important one. It'll tell you which ones have not been turned in by the due date. Okay, so I'm hoping that this will help you a little bit being able to keep track of your child's work as we go. And I am really trying to break it down by week, so hopefully that helps.